Good morning. If you watched our last video, you saw that I was getting ready for a little possible salt event. We're gonna go see if we need to do anything. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Where I live, I'm about 10-15 minutes away from our service area. There's not much going on. A little bit of snow on the grass, and the ground's completely, like the pavement and stuff seems to be completely fine here. I'm not sure, you know, based on the radar, it's tough to say until I get there, but the radar kind of showed that it snowed a little bit more up that area. So we're gonna go see what's going on. Gotta do our job, check anyways. We may be wasting our time, we may not be. It's tough to say right now. Okay, pulling into our bigger apartment complex. You guys probably saw this one last year. Let's see how the conditions here look. It does look icy. Oh yeah, you can definitely see it's all ice all over here. Oh yeah, she's a skating rink. All right. Oh, I'm actually sliding. All right, and this is why we check. So back to the shop. Let's get the truck loaded. I'm not even gonna check our other parking lots because they're all within less than a mile of this location. So if this one's like this, they're all gonna be like this. Let's get this truck warmed up. All covered with snow. Everything's frozen up.
So I don't know if he already gave you the spiel or not. I woke up about 5. We hadn't even planned on going out. It snowed a little bit last night. When I got home last night, the ground was just wet. And I was like, I don't know, it could freeze up. So I woke up early to check it. And I hadn't heard from him. So I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna go. I show up here. I guess he went around to the same parking lot. We both ended up here at the same time. So we're going out anyways, just to be safe. If you look, I mean, pretty slippery. Oh, I almost just went down. Yeah, you can see how icy that is. Very icy. Very icy.
this one's all set. This was really icy. Didn't look it, but it was pretty bad. I actually slid around the corner over here trying to make the corner, but did a few laps around, got everything salted. He's out doing the walkways real quick. We're gonna head up to one of our churches next and get that one done. You see the glaze all over this parking lot. It's pretty bad. This is one of the bigger churches we do. My family's church. This one again gets very icy. And obviously it's Sunday today, so we got church services. Gotta have to get this thing perfect. So we did a couple laps around. He's just finishing up the walkways. We'll go check a couple of the other ones and we'll be all set. So this is gonna be the last parking lot we do. It's very deceiving because the roads are completely bare and dry and nothing. And then this parking lot, I could literally put my hockey skates on and I could play hockey on this thing. So see, it's all ice, completely glazed over, ice everywhere. So we're gonna get this salted. Walkways are all set here. It's gonna be the last one we're gonna do today. We checked 2 of the other ones that we do and they're fine. So this will be the last one and go home for the rest of the day. And we're supposed to get another inch of snow tonight. So we'll see what happens with that.
Anybody want a cigarette? Got a trash can on there? There's no trash on there.
It's a wrap. We're pretty much wrapped up for this morning. About 2 hours worth of work, nothing crazy. It's what, 7:30 right now, 7:45. So kind of glad we did go out because 3 of the parking lots were skating rinks and absolutely needed it. And they need a lot of attention. And then the rest of them were completely bare pavement, dry and fine. Just kind of like the road here at the shop is 100% dry. So it was very hit or miss, very spotty. But the 3 of them that we had to do were very icy. At one point I actually slid when I was taking one of the corners. I didn't get the video footage of it, but I almost slid right into a freaking telephone pole. So yeah, I mean, very weird situation. Just looks very deceiving. You're driving around, a lot of these parking lots look completely dry, and then you look over and some of them are completely sheets of ice. So, but we did the right thing. We got out, got the things treated that we needed to do, so we can, rest up today and not have to worry about it. We got a small event coming tonight, which is actually the actual forecasted snow. This was all like random ocean effect showers that, kind of added up to a little bit. We probably got an inch of snow altogether, just didn't really stick to the pavement and stuff. But so we'll see what happens tonight. I'm not sure, if that's going to stick or, whatnot, if we need to go back out. But we'll watch that throughout the day. If we need to go back out, we'll go back out and get that stuff situated. But we're good for the day. The churches are all set. That's the big priority. It's a Sunday, obviously. So, and everything's done that we need to do. So, the big thing with this type of storm, I don't think I mentioned it, is documentation. And I didn't really show what I did, but these events are tough because, just by looking at stuff, obviously, you drive and everything looks dry. You're the property owner, you don't think there's an issue, and then you get to the property, it's all ice. So I took videos and pictures of every property that we ended up doing, actually every property in general. But the ones that we did do, I did a full drive-through of both of them. Got out, showed the ice, walked through everything, mentioned the time, the date, everything on the video, took pictures. So just in case they try to come back and say that we didn't need to go salt, because I mean, you look out your window, like here, like I said, it's completely bare and dry. You know, these properties are completely the opposite. So, and they were, as you probably saw in the video here, they were 100% justified, all iced up. So there was no question about having to do salting and stuff like that. So, but that is something that is important if you guys are in this business, is documentation. I take pictures and videos of everything. You know, I'm obviously filming these videos, so, you know, I got all the footage and stuff, you know, from these videos that I can show, and then I also on my phone take video and pictures of just about every single thing that we do, before and after pictures. And I do that with the pool side of the business too. Every single job we do, we fill out a service report with a before and after picture and all the notes and documents of everything that we did. So same thing with snow plowing, got to cover your butts. So that way, if anything comes back and they try to say you didn't do it or didn't need to do it, you know, you have evidence and proof. So, all right, I'm gonna go home, maybe catch a nap. Been up since about 4 o'clock this morning, didn't really sleep much last night. So gonna try to get a nap, and then we'll see what happens with if we get some more snow today. If we don't, you know, it is what it is. So, but first one of the season's out of the way, no issues, everything worked good. So appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.